One of the most important people that you ever meet in your life has to be by far your college roommate. This person is going to shape your life. And many colleges, the likes of Stanford, Harvard, give you this essay that says, write a letter to your roommate, or simply put, 3 things that you want your roommate to know about you. It might seem a little bit daunting to write such an essay, but don't worry, this video is going to help you with that. First of all, I'm going to start by reading you my essay, how I wrote it, and give you a little bit of comments and give you a little bit of a critical analysis of that essay itself. Then secondly, I'm going to share 3 tips that I believe will be crucial when you're nailing such an essay. So let's get to it. Let me start reading out loud my essay. I crave depth. Please do not be surprised if you find me unwinding with a 3-hour podcast before bed. Amending my life's philosophy in the process. As a podcast enthusiast, I'm proud to have once listened to 3 podcasts for over 8 hours straight. My daily soundscape is characterized by long-form conversations from Lex Friedman, Stephen Bartlett, and Andrew Huberman. Scheduling is a second passion of mine. Addiction might even be the ideal word. Google Calendar is my best friend, mapping out my plan for every hour, but still leaving room for flexibility. On Saturdays, though, I step back to honor the Sabbath as a Seventh-day Adventist, taking time for relaxation. I often find myself studying the Bible as well as having conversations with my friends whilst chilling on a rock outscope at school. Taking a weekly sabbatical allows me to rejuvenate my energy, preparing me for the intense week ahead. Okay, so that's the essay that I wrote for Harvard College when they asked me to list 3 things that I would like my roommates to know about you. And simply put, I think this essay worked for me because I was able to share little traits, little characteristics that make me special. For example, my passion for podcasting, scheduling, as well as also sharing little traditions that make me special. So I believe those are some of the core elements that made my essay work or made my essay stand out. Of course, it's not perfect. There are a lot of flaws in that essay, but I think being able to share who I am authentically helped this essay to stand out. I'm going to share 3 tips that are going to help you elevate your essay when you're writing it. The first one, share your quirks. Little things that make you and your family and your community special, right? You don't have to be boring. Don't have to think outside of the box too much. But for example, if you wake up at 12 p.m. to eat cereal, write that. If you play games in your house and then you give each other a trophy, include that. Share little traditions, little quirks and values that are only unique to you. Number 2, you can share traditions and routines, things that you're going to do consistently. It can be that you worship and pray at a specific time. Maybe you like playing a guitar every single day. Maybe you like working out yoga in the morning. It doesn't matter. Whatever traditional routine you have, share it. Number 3, keep it light but genuine. Don't be too robotic. Explore a little bit. Be more creative. Write it in different formats. Some people write it as a formal letter. Some people write it, in a very creative format. I don't know, whatever you do, but keep it very light-hearted. This is a very easy essay to write because it's fun. It explores 3 things that are unique about you or things you want your roommates to know about you. And when you're writing such an essay, remember to keep it playful, to keep it light, to keep it fun, and generally have a good time when writing such an essay. And I hope you can be able to nail it when you're writing it. As always, if you have any questions with regards to how to structure this essay, put that in the comment section below, and I'll be glad to address it. All the best in the upcoming college admissions process from wherever you are across the world.